Looking for a quick escape from Bangalore? Welcome to Campfire Circle, where forest trails, cozy tents, and crackling bonfires turn your weekend into a memory. This is Oyeitsweekend, and we have found your next perfect getaway. As you walk into Campfire Circle, this is the first vibe you catch. Tents nestled in greenery, people relaxing, chatting, or just soaking up to the calm. Campfire Circle has a great mix of activities. You have got zipline, kayaking, Superman ziplines, sky cycling, archery, cricket, mud volleyball, open tennis court, and much more. The tents are cozy, comfy and clean with proper beds and a peaceful setup. Common washrooms are nearby and well maintained.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
The food is fresh and tasty with both veg and non-veg options. Meals are provided as per the stay package you choose. So this is the morning trek. That's where we have to go. So the morning trek is short and easy. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Try to carry a water bottle and wear comfortable shoes. It's the beginner friendly with scenic forest views along the way. So Campfire Circle is around 70 km from Bangalore and takes about 2.5 to 3 hours to reach. The roads are smooth, especially via Kanakpura Road, and there's parking available on. You can book it through official website. I have shared all the booking links in the description below. You can go for a one-day visit or enjoy a full overnight stay. Don't forget to pack a water bottle, light jacket and a comfortable shoes, especially for the morning trek.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
A beautiful trek, a hot breakfast and memories to take home. Campfire Circle gave us the perfect weekend vibe. This is oyeitsweekend signing off. Don't forget to like, comment, share and hit that subscribe button for more gateways. Take care.